Suki and Scott are brother and sister and a pair of very colourful socks. So let's begin in our sock pose. Coming to lie on our backs, we take our arms down by our sides and we lift our feet up to the sky. They live in the sock drawer, and when they aren't on someone's feet, they get bundled up together. Let's bundle up like a pair of socks. Coming up to sit on our bottoms, hugging our knees into our chest, wrapping them round with our arms and maybe lifting our toes off the ground to balance. Very good. Mostly they get along, and though Suki loves her brother, even when he's a bit stinky, she has big dreams to have adventures and to explore. One day, Suki is daydreaming in the sock drawer. She lies like a lounging lazy butterfly, sitting up with the soles of our feet together, our knees out wide. We take our hands behind our bottoms and shift our hips forwards as we walk slowly down onto our backs, our arms down by our sides in our lazy butterfly pose. Suki tells Scott, "I want to travel the world. I want to go to all the places a sock can go, like the Sockerfeller Plaza, the Sock and Roll Hall of Fame, and visit the Great Sock of Gibraltar." Let's try our spider pose. Coming up to stand, everyone. Taking our feet a little bit wider, we bend our knees nice and deep and take our hands, putting them in between our feet. Now we ticker, them round the outsides, and we walk our feet in towards each other, bringing our big toes to touch in our spider pose. No one really bothers me here, so I can relax, spend my time on the web. Just watch out for the cat. The cat, unravelling our arms and legs and coming up to stand. While Scott lies like a lonely sock on a pile of clean clothes. Let's come into our sock pose again. Coming to lie on our backs, arms by our sides, legs up in the air. He misses Suki and wonders whether he'll ever see her again. Then he hears a cry for help. It's Suki! Sitting up, legs long, arms by our sides, alert. Suki needs help. I need help. Scott needs a team. He gently, our arms and our legs feeling heavy as we melt into the ground. What a story about Suki and Scott, the socks. And some of us have brothers and sisters, and yes, we can annoy each other, get on each other's nerves, have disagreements. But really, underneath all of that, we love each other. And we will always be there for one another. Let's take a moment now to think about our brother or sister, or both. Or if we don't have any brothers or sisters, think about someone you live with. How special and important you are to one another. And how thankful you are for having one another. Slowly now we begin to wake up, wiggling our toes, wiggling our fingers, hugging our knees into